Welcome to Little Learner Station. Grapes, kiwi, orange, cherries, banana, strawberry. Grapes, we're gonna color in the grapes. The green color, and the fruit is grapes. Green grapes. I'm coloring in the leaves. I'm coloring in the stalk. I'm coloring in the orange. I'm coloring slice of the orange color. It's looking so pretty. Just the leaf, we done. The leaf. Now it's time for banana. I'm coloring yellow color in the banana. Now in the kiwi, I'm coloring brown color in the kiwi. Now in this slice, all of the top of this is done. This is cherry. Its color is red color. We're coloring it. We're coloring the first cherry. Now we're coloring the next one. Now in the other one. And is now in the stalks and then in the leaves. The green color. Fruits are so healthy. You should eat them. They're so yummy too and delicious. Now we're gonna color in the strawberry, the red color again. All of the two strawberries. Now of the stalks and the leaves. Hope you like the video.
Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? A, B, C, D,
I'm coloring green in the leaves.
I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
Thanks for watching. Bye bye, kids.